Arcesaria Balkan Lady Fest to begin. Pinagtipunan is running by Drell Batang Analari outside Cliff Ridge. Silhouette comes next, putting Biaya, Be Humble, Eugenie, and Wawotega. Balkan Lady by our Hapalang Batang. Analyze on the outside, second, racing in third, Pinagtipunan. Clibridge alongside fourth, Silhouette rushing up, Be Humble, putting Biaya, Eugenie, and trailing the group is Wawoteg. Balkan Lady moving up now is Batang Anala to take the lead. Batang Anala takes the lead, running by the release Balkan Lady. Pinagtipunan, Clibridge on the outside board. Racing in fifth, Silhouette moving up, putting Biaya together with Wawoteg, Be Humble, and Eugenie. Batang Anala, Balkan Ladies running by the release. Pinagtipunan in third. Here comes Clibridge, putting Biaya, Wawoteg, and it's still Batang Anala, mayroong Balkan Lady, Pinagtipunan, putting Biaya, Silhouette, then comes Clibridge with Batang Anala still in front, putting Biaya, Silhouette, Balkan Lady, as they come down at the last of the day. Batang Anala still in front, Silhouette, putting Biaya is on the outside, Silhouette, putting Biaya, Batang Anala, Silhouette takes the lead, our putting Biaya, entering the finish line. It's going to be close finish, Silhouette, putting Biaya, then comes Batang Anala.
This program is brought to you by Robust Extreme Super Stick to.
Okay, quarter times natin for that race. Okay, we have a photo for first and fourth. Do hold on to your tickets, ha? Lahat ng mga quartet and Super 6 players natin.